Welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a cake. So get your pen and paper ready and let's begin. So first, let's draw a straight line down like this. And then we connect another line. And at a little angle, a bit of an angle, we draw it down. And then from there, we go up again. And try to make it about the same length as this line, so it's about the same. Roughly, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then from there, we're going to draw a line back. But before we draw this line back, it doesn't have to be a straight line. So we can put a little bit of a wave in this line. And we go a wave, like a wavy line like this. Because this would be the icing sugar. And then from there we draw a straight line up, not too much, and again sort of a wave. We go back and we go past this line just a little bit by that, and then we make the same line the same length as the other one, and we go down. You can put also a little bit of a curve in your line because that would be icing sugar. And then I want you to make a dot about here, and on the other side about the same distance we make another dot. Now we're going to connect these two lines but with a straight line. Okay, so let's make a line like this, and we do the same thing here. About there we can make a dot and we make another dot there, and then we're just gonna connect it like so. That's perfect. And then we're going to draw a curvy line again like so, because that would be the icing sugar that sticks out between the layers of the cake. There we go. That looks perfect. Now what do we need? I think let's put some strawberries on the cake. Yeah, I think strawberries would be a great idea. So from there, draw a half circle like that, and you give it waves again. Good. From here, draw a circle like that, and we make it a wave. There we go. And I want you to just make a little curve like that, and then from here we can make another half circle, and again just a wavy line, and we make little dots everywhere, little dots. That's right. And that would be our strawberries. Yeah. There we go. That's our strawberries. Now, what else? What about a piece of orange? I think that would do great. So we make two little lines like that, and we connect it with a half circle like so. Then in the middle we draw a line like that, and we connect them, and then on this side we draw a line like that and a line like that, and a half circle on top, and that would be the lemon, also sorry, and that would be the orange and the peel on top and the little skin on top. Now let's finish off this cake. We're going to draw a straight line like that, and we're going to draw a straight line like that, and there, our cake is almost done. So I think what we can do here is just draw a few little circles here for the cake, yeah, to give it some texture. That's right, and we'll do it on every single layer of this cake. Oh, it looks like a delicious cake. What do you think? There we go. And then the last layer, let's put one there. And you can make these little circles randomly. Don't put them into a pattern because it will not look natural. So just random little circles. And there's our cake. So in your own time you can color in the cake any color you want and use vibrant colors like greens and oranges, reds, and make it a cake that you would like. If you like drawing with me, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.